Well, hi there. My name is Doodlemachine. Thank you for joining me for another Daily Doodle. Today we're doing another episode of Artist Illustrates His Kids' Art. Just like that. We're working on Hazel's picture today. This is the soda pirate. So the idea with this one is this pirate is hanging on a rope and he's descending into a tavern or maybe the mess hall on a ship. And on the table is a plate with kale on it. I don't know why she put kale. We eat kale, but I don't think she likes it. I like to think that this pirate just came down into this scene and grabbed the bottle of soda off the table, and he's escaping with this bottle of soda. Because, you know, pirates, they always have their bottles, and in Hazel's mind, that bottle is full of soda, which I respect. I can respect that. So, without further ado, I present Hazel's Soda Pirate. Enjoy. Meow. And that brings us to the end. Please let me know in the comments below. What do you think of Hazel's Soda Pirate? What do you think of my Soda Pirate? Do you like soda? Leave a thumbs up if you like soda. Leave a thumbs down if you dislike it. Subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. I do a daily doodle every day. And as always, thanks for watching.